today is the day. We're finally getting rid of these dead silver mirror caps. But to be honest, after having the car for a while now, they're starting to grow on me. But I'm sure you guys know exactly what I'll be replacing these for, and they're gonna look so good. But today, we're not only upgrading my mirrors, we're gonna be doing loads of little mods that are really gonna transform the car when they're all put together. So yes, today is the day where we're hopefully gonna make this car look 1,000 times better. Though, that's gonna be quite hard because she looks so nice already. Cheers. Red Bull tastes like shit, I'll be real, but we needed it. Right, let's get on to the mods. All right, guys, so we're going off with the first mod straight away. And it's actually, if you come down here, we're basically changing these from chrome to these bad boys. Basically, we're just de-chroming the car, which is kind of what we're doing with the mirrors later. So I got these from AutoID and a few other things we're doing today. So if you want any of them, they're going to be in the description. So let's go start putting these on. All right, so the first bit here is we're going to put masking tape underneath, which we've already done. And then we're going to basically give it a go with the hairdryer, loosen it up a little bit, and we're going to get rid of the fishing line. And we're going to replace it with that bad boy. Let's go. Right guys, so to get rid of the glue, we're gonna just put a bit of alcohol, a bit of microfibre cloth, and we're just gonna get it down. Let's go. Right, now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put this straight on. Right guys, so the both sides are done now. Let me just quickly show you. Right guys, I know it's only a little difference, but I actually think it looks really nice. And I wasn't sure about de-chroming them, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. All right guys, so next thing is actually these little stickers that's gonna go on the sides of the car. We've got two this time. If you remember on the course, we only had one, but we've got YouTube and Instagram. So there's my Instagram. Make sure to give it a follow. Let's get them on the car. Right, so we just did that. Shout out to Decal Studio on Instagram. Their Instagram's on screen. Next up is actually the badges. So as you can see, we got no badges. So we've got these, though they might be a bit too big. They might be a bit too big. Let's just see how it looks. Let's go. Right guys, as you can see, we've put a little bit of tape and we've marked it where it's supposed to be. We got these measurements online and now we're just gonna put it on. All right, so here it is. What do you guys think? I'm not sure about the gap. You see there, it goes like M235i. I'm not sure about the gap, but if you ignore the gap, I think it looks really good. It's just standard. I want people to know it's a M235i, you know? I think it looks really good. I didn't want people to think I'm driving a standard 2 Series. Do you know what I mean? I think it looks good, and I'm gonna leave it at that for now. Might be changed, I'm not sure. Let's see. Okay, so I've gone inside because it's got a little bit chilly, but if you want that badge, it's on eBay, so you can get it there. So we're gonna do the big thing right now. I'm gonna show you guys what we're actually putting on the mirrors to make it look good. I'm sure you guys already know what it is, but. Okay, so once again, shout out to AutoID. They've really helped me out on this build. But here they are. There they are. They get fingerprints really easily, so I'm trying not to touch them. But we've also got something else from AutoID. So as you can see, we've got these. Those mirror caps are gonna look really, really good on the car. And there is one issue. Everyone says that this is the most dodgy thing in the world. When we take out this mirror, if it cracks, it can cost me £100 per mirror. I don't want to be spending £200 if I crack both mirrors. So I'm gonna pray that it all goes well. And also a big shout out to my dad for helping me doing all this. Right, as you can see, we've got the mirror out. Finally, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you guys how to do it because I'm no expert and there is hundreds of videos already on there how to do this. But all I'm gonna say is that if you think this is an easy mod to do, it's not. They're lying to you. Whoever said that, they're lying, because I was lied to as well. Right, to be fair, it's not hard apart from just getting this mirror out. Everyone says, make sure you don't crack the mirror. That's not the only issue. The issue is actually trying to get the mirror out. It's not easy, but we've got it out, it's there. And now what we're doing basically is we've taken out this screw and this screw, and we're about to take out that screw right there. They're all T10s, and yeah, oh, we've also taken off the mirror cap as well, but then we're gonna take that off for these guys. All right, guys, it is actually the next day because it took us way too long to do them, but they're done. They're done now. I'm gonna show you guys the mirror caps and the dynamic sweeping indicators. So let's go. Alright guys, so if you forgot what they looked like before, I'll quickly show you before and then I'll show you an after. So yeah, as you can see, I went for the gloss black M-style mirror caps. Obviously, I could have went for the carbon fibre ones, but 2 reasons. Carbon fibre ones are extremely expensive. And 2, I don't know, because carbon fibre is a little bit grey, and I don't know if grey on grey would work. I think what I want to go for on the whole car is gloss black instead of carbon fibre, because, you know, this isn't exactly a track build, so we don't need the weight saving. But yeah, let me know what you guys would think. And also, while we're here, what do you think of these sweeping indicators? These are worth it 100%. They look so good. The thing is, you couldn't even see it before. You couldn't really even see the indicator working. They look so good, and I like when they're off, they're smoked, they blend in. It's all very nice. All right then, guys, so we have got the next mod, and we've got 2 more mods, and these mods are pretty cool, and especially the last mod. The last mod is hopefully going to be really, really cool. So basically, this mod is some metal pedal covers. As you can see, we've got this one, we've got the brake, and we've got footrest. That one isn't on yet because I have to stick that on. I've just test fitted it. This one should be easy, and then this one maybe a bit harder, but let's put them on. All right then, so we're going to start with the accelerator pedal. This one should be the easiest. It literally should just go on, so let's try it. All right, that's sorted. I guess we'll do the brake now. And what we have to do for the brake is we got to take off, there's a little cover on this, we've got to take it off and then we can put this on. 2 out of 3 are done. So this one, as you can see, we just take this off and stick it on. This is where I'll mess up. I think they look really, really good. If you guys want to get yourself some, I got them off eBay, so I'll put a link in the description to one I got, but if you can find one cheaper on eBay, get that. They are a perfect fit. All right, guys, so the next thing, and I think it's pretty exciting, is actually these guys. So these guys are gonna go right on these little crash bars on the grille, and hopefully they're gonna look good. We've chosen blue to match the caliper color, and maybe something else a little bit down the line, but let's see what we can do, and let's see how to do it. Right then, guys, so the first thing we've actually got to do is we've got to like pry the bumper open to put them in. So we've got to take this out, it's just clipped in, and we've got to take out all of these Torque 30 screws. So we're going to do that right now. Okay, so I'm going to explain this the best I can. So basically, once you've undone those screws, you've got to lift up the bumper, and you've got to try and unclip one of the kidney grills. It's a massive pain in the arse, I'll be real. But you've just got to like reach underneath and grab them. It's really hard. It took us like a good hours, and it's actually quite painful. But I'm sure if you've got long, skinny arms, you'll be all right. But you know, I'm not exactly gifted in that area. Right then, guys, so that was so much more of a mission than I thought it was going to be. But it is done. Basically, what we had to do, take off the bumper, take off one of the grills, and we just had to put it in. But it was so much harder than I thought it was going to be. But I'm just going to show you the finished product. Let's go. So there they are. What do you guys think? I don't know if I like them. I'm not sure. All right then, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you guys like these mods with crash bars, with the mirrors, with the indicators, with a few of the badges, with the stickers, with the pedals. We did so much in today's video, so I really hope you guys did enjoy. Thank you. Goodbye, guys.